Topic is how to uninstall this any software and any apps now. This iTop screen recorder and how to uninstall this WhatsApp, turn on this setting, shutdown option, anyone how to delete and uninstall these apps. And please click on search box and choose type on CONTROL control panel and open this control panel. And control panel is open now, and click on big and large icon will be category now, large icon, small icon will be large. Click on and click on program and features, and look this every software, every apps now. And look this VLC, turbo C, any apps, how to uninstall this apps. And look this, click on any button, click on suppose you once can delete, how to delete, uh, or choose anywhere. Click on right button and uninstall this. Any press on and right button and uninstall this. This is uninstall now, and click on right button and uninstall this. And thank you for watching. Today I am going to this topic is control panel will be end now. And please like, share, comment and subscribe please everyone. Thank you everyone.